Okay guys, so I'll show you how to get all information about website owner. So there is such website whois.com. If you go in, if you enter this website, you can see such menu here: enter domain or IP. So for example, you can enter here domain name, for example this one, and I will click on whois, and here we can see domain information. So register, so company what owns this domain, and registration date and date when it will expire, latest update, and name servers. So it's basically where the website is hosted. So registering contact, so contact details of person who registered the domain, administrative contact details of person who manages this domain. Usually all these are, sometimes they are the same. Yeah. Technical, yeah, and this technical contact information may be also the same when website running by individual, usually the same contact details are. Yeah. Some other information. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. So great website, you can use this to identify for everyone. Guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like it,